Did you know that penguins are flightless birds perfectly adapted to life in the water? Their wings, rendered useless for soaring through the air, have evolved into powerful flippers that propel them through the ocean depths with astonishing grace. From the icy plains of Antarctica to the sun-kissed shores of temperate regions, penguins have conquered a variety of habitats, showcasing a remarkable diversity of species. Each species boasts unique characteristics, from their size and plumage to their breeding behaviors and preferred environments. Join us now as we embark on an unforgettable journey to meet some extraordinary penguin species, marveling at their adaptations and celebrating the wonders of these charismatic creatures. Standing nearly 4 feet tall and weighing up to 90 pounds, the emperor penguin is a true giant of the avian world. The only penguin species that breeds during the harsh Antarctic winter. Temperatures plummet to -40 degrees Fahrenheit, and blizzards rage. Male emperor penguins huddle together for warmth, incubating their precious eggs on their feet, surviving on their fat reserves. Females journey to the open sea to forage for food. Upon return, they feed their newly hatched chicks. Adorned in a regal coat of black and white feathers, accented by vibrant splashes of orange and yellow on their heads and chests, the king penguin is a sight to behold. Second in size only to the emperor penguin, these majestic creatures inhabit the sub-Antarctic islands, where they gather in vast colonies that number in the hundreds of thousands. King penguins have an unusual breeding cycle, taking over a year to raise their chicks. The parents share the responsibility of incubation and feeding, taking turns carrying the egg on their feet and traveling to the sea to forage. During the breeding season, the king penguin's calls fill the air, a cacophony of trumpets and barks that echo across the breeding grounds. These vocalizations are crucial for communication within the bustling colony. The king penguin's striking appearance and elaborate courtship rituals, combined with their dedicated parenting, make them one of the most captivating penguin species. With their distinctive black backs and white fronts, Adelie penguins are instantly recognizable. These small but mighty birds are found along the coast of Antarctica and its surrounding islands. Adelie penguins are known for their playful nature, often seen tobogganing on their bellies across the ice and snow. They are also incredibly agile swimmers, leaping out of the water like miniature torpedoes. During the breeding season, Adelie penguins build nests made of small stones, which they fiercely defend from rivals. These nesting sites are highly sought after, and disputes over prime real estate are common. Both parents share the responsibility of incubating the eggs and feeding their chicks, regurgitating krill, squid, and small fish that they catch at sea. The Adelie penguins' playful antics, distinctive coloring, and remarkable adaptations make them a joy to observe. Renowned for their speed and agility, Gentoo penguins zip through the ocean depths at up to 22 miles per hour. They are easily identified by the white band across their heads. Found on the Antarctic Peninsula and subantarctic islands, they live in large colonies. They build nests from pebbles on higher ground to avoid flooding. Gentoo penguins raise 2 chicks, with both parents sharing incubation and feeding duties. Standing just over a foot tall, the little blue penguin, also known as the fairy penguin, is the smallest penguin species in the world. These diminutive penguins are found along the coastlines of Australia, New Zealand, and the Chatham Islands, where they nest in burrows dug into sandy soil or rocky crevices. Unlike their larger relatives, little blue penguins are primarily nocturnal, spending their days at sea foraging for food and returning to their burrows at dusk. Their small size makes them vulnerable to predators, such as snakes, cats, and birds of prey. However, their agility and ability to disappear into their burrows provide them with some protection. Despite their diminutive stature, little blue penguins are known for their feisty personalities and their loud, piercing calls which they use to communicate with each other. From the colossal emperor penguin braving the harshest conditions on Earth, to the diminutive little blue penguin seeking refuge in coastal burrows, penguins exemplify the diversity and adaptability of life on our planet. These charismatic creatures, with their waddling gait and playful antics, have captured our hearts and reminded us of the wonders of the natural world. However, many penguin populations face growing threats from climate change, habitat loss, and pollution. By learning more about these fascinating creatures and supporting conservation efforts, we can help ensure that penguins continue to thrive for generations to come. Help the channel grow by subscribing and sharing this video.